Thank you for the response. Mostly people don't do that. Now, no, seriously. So, like Rohan said, my name is Karan Chauhan. I'm a comedian and an illusionist. So, basically, I do a little bit of comedy, a little bit of magic. So, if there is something you don't find funny, then it is magic. It's so important to clear it up. Now, I need someone to help me out right away. How about you, sir? You want to do this? You can stay there. What is your name?
Sparsh.
Sparsh?
Yeah.
Have you ever met before today?
No.
You don't have to look so proud of that, Sparsh. But okay, no problem. Sparsh, I want you to, let's start simple. I want you to think of a number, or maybe let's not do a number. Numbers are very common. Think of a color. Do you have a color in mind, Sparsh? Yes? Okay. I want you to focus on that color. There's no way for me to know that, right? What color you're thinking of. This is really important, Sparsh. I want you to focus on the color. Ladies and gentlemen, this is mind over matter. If you don't mind, I don't matter. Now, yeah, I think that should be it. Sparsh, you will only answer in a yes or a no. Don't give anything away. I'm going to shut this pen so I can't change what I've written. Sparsh, yes or no? For the first time out loud, only yes or no. Are you thinking of the color purple?
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, correctly predicted? No. There you go. That is... Yes, I get paid for that. Yes. I'm a Gujarati. We can get paid for anything we want. Can we have a round of applause for Saad, guys? Saad, who just came out. Yes. My friend and my lover, Saad. Ladies. I'm kidding, madam. He's not my friend. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. I'm going to need a couple of more things. I'm also going to need a bag, Saad. Can we get the bag out, please, Saad? The paper bag, which is, in some tribes of Indonesia, they call this a paper bag. Yes, Saad. Thank you, Saad. You can leave it here. Lovely. So, guys, a lot of people treat magic like a puzzle. They don't see it like an art form. It's something you want to solve constantly, right? So, actually, I got a puzzle with me today. So, you guys can figure out the difference on your own, right? That is the idea. Saad will bring out the puzzle. Thank you so much. Once again, Saad, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Saad. Yes, nobody cares about Saad suddenly. Alright guys, so the puzzle I have is this. Everybody's familiar with this? Yes, it's a Rubik's Cube. For people who are not familiar with this, a very irritating thing in life, okay? Like it's a pain to solve. How many of you have tried solving this, done it before? Have you been able to solve it? No, right? This is irritating. So this is what a solved Rubik's Cube looks like. Every side is like nicely even colored, right? And that is what you have to do to sort of solve it or unsolve it, as a matter of fact. And that's what an unsolved Rubik's Cube looks like. You have to sort of move around the parts one by one and then try to solve it. Now, being a magician, I can't say the word magician, sir. I have speech impairment, so I can't say magician, right? So being a magician, 5 people got that joke. 5 people. We'll start Hathi Cheeti in a moment, don't worry. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to try and solve this cube without touching it. I know. Amazing, right? Only person went, everybody is like, हम लोग रोस्ट करते हैं घर पे, हम लोग ऐसा लेके, हमारा रोस्ट का है. Alright, I'll show you. See, the idea is very simple. I take the mixed up Rubik's Cube, I put it inside the paper bag of mystery. No, it's a paper bag of, do you know why we use a paper bag of mystery? Because the box of mystery was expensive. So, very classy looking box, I tell you, but real expensive, right? So the idea is really simple. The cube is going to go inside the bag, and very slowly I'm going to bring my hand out, empty. And the idea is simple. I snap my fingers and the cube will get solved. Okay? Watch. Sorry. And now the cube is solved. Thank you. That's pretty much the trick. You don't believe me, do you? So, what is your name? Ashka. Ashka, I'll check. Only for you. I was not going to, but I'll check. Yes, Ashka, it's solved. Solved. But that's the easy part. See, Ashka, that's the easy part. The difficult part is to snap my fingers again and make the same solved cube go back to unsolved again. So that's what we're going to try. So bad, Ashka. No. Let me show you this. Let me bring this out. Ladies and gentlemen, a totally solved cube right there. Yes. And nobody cares. check it out. No, seriously, take it. The cube, check it out. Mix it if you want. It's salt. It wasn't salt a moment ago, and now it is salt. The concern is that do I have another cube in the bag? Dude, I've been doing this for 10 years now. Okay? If you think I will stoop so low to have like 2 cubes in the trick, you really think I would stoop that low to have 2 cubes in the trick? You're right. There is 2 cubes. I mean, how else, guys? How else that is? You know, the only thing about the other cube though is that is also salt. Yeah, and you can check that out. And before somebody says there is a 3rd cube and there is a 65th cube, the bag is empty. See what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. And now to fix the bag again. Watch. Can't do it. Now.